Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih jangka Jylla urakam sangma hakakatsan terik ujeliau ulayat huwa baon Pynbeit Biang ya ke Eksamin Cuet na ke Bynta ki Khynnah Pule ki Thmu ban let beteng ya ke jing Pule Shabar ke Jylla bat ken sayo sakawai galat ban tho Biang ya ke Eksamin. Haba keren kilat pathai khubor Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih ula ong baka Union Ministry jangka Ketenat Pule Putih kala ai jing mod ya ke National Testing Agency ban Pynbeit Biang ya ke Eksamin Cuet na ke Bynta ki Khynnah Pule ke Jylla Meghalaya.
I'm to inform to all the students of the state, those who are going to appear for CUT examination. So we have informed by the Ministry and the NTA and the Honorable Chief Minister, and the government has taken up the matter with the Ministry. We have been informed that for those affected students, in view of the center allotment in Ranchi and other parts of the country, will be rescheduled, and they will be given another opportunity to appear for the CUT examination this time. Therefore, I would request all the students not to worry and wait for the rescheduled time. We are also working with the Ministry of Education and the NTA to set up more CUT examination center in near future. We are working aggressively and we will leave no stone unturned to make this possible.
La ban kedau ba Menteri rangba ke Jylla ukonrat ki sangma hakakat sau terik ujeliu ula tho sya Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih jangkari udahan mandra pradhan ban pentip ya halor kane kaman.